Hello learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's session, we learn session storage in JavaScript. So let's get started. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to access the web development playlist from the description box and subscribe to this channel. Before we move ahead, let's first understand the definition of session storage. Session storage is a place in your browser where you can store data temporarily. It stores data only for one browser tab and only until that tab is open. Data stored in session storage gets removed when the browser tab is closed. Now, let me show you first where the values is stored in a browser. Let's see different types of methods associated with session storage. First we have setItem, which is used to store data in key value pair format. Below is the syntax for it. And to get the value we use getItem. Below we have syntax for it. Then, we have removeItem, which is used to remove the item with the specific key. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. The data stored in session storage remains when we refresh the page but gets removed when we close the tab or open the link in a new tab. After that, the next method we have is key, which helps us get the key at a particular index. Then we have length property used to return the number of data stored in the session storage. And then we have clear item, which is used to clear the session storage. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.